Hi everybody, today we are going to learn that how to prevent our battery or how to prevent our iPhone from getting overheated. So there are very basic and simple techniques that you can follow and you can implement in order to prevent your battery usage, your temperature of the iPhone, and as well as the battery health. So first of all, you have to come into the settings and you have to come into this battery section, and you have to just check it out that how the apps are getting the battery, how they are using it, what is the ratio and the percentage of them. So you can see right now WhatsApp is running at the background and Snapchat as well. So it's also mentioned that WhatsApp is using 5% of my battery and Snapchat is 2%. And furthermore, if you use any other apps, so they also become visible here. And secondly, you have to simply just turn on this low power mode as I have turned it on. So after turning on it, your mobile temperature will get down and it will become into the normal temperature. It's the second method. And afterwards you have to come into this accessibility. It is the third method that I am going to show you. So you have to come into this third option, or sorry, the fourth option, display and text size. You have to scroll down and you have to just simply enable this auto brightness that I have enabled. If you will enable it, the mobile will manage its brightness according to the sunlight or the light to which it is getting exposed. So it will definitely prevent your battery. And the last and the most simplest one, you have to just simply turn off the background apps by swiping it up, and if you will slide them like this, they will be temporarily off at the background. It will prevent your battery, and also the battery will last longer. And for such informative videos, please do subscribe my channel, like it, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Thank you everybody.